The prawns are battered and fried until extra crispy, then tossed in a creamy, spicy bang bang sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons Thai sweet chili sauce, 3 tablespoons sriracha or any hot sauce, and stir them well. The bang bang sauce is ready. We'll keep it aside until it's time to use it. In another bowl, take some prawns, add 1 cup buttermilk. We'll let it marinate for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, take half a cup corn flour, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, and mix them well. Remove the prawns from buttermilk and place them in the corn flour mixture. Then use your hands to coat them evenly with the flour and place them on a plate. To deep fry the prawns, heat around 2 cups of oil in a pan. To check whether it's ready for deep frying, drop a small piece of corn flour into the oil. If it starts bubbling and floating immediately, then it's good to go. Now fry the prawns until they're golden and crispy on both sides. Transfer to a plate lined with paper towel. If you don't want to deep fry the prawns, you can bake them for 12 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius by spraying some oil and flipping them halfway through, or air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Chop some iceberg lettuce and some green onions. They're completely optional. Skip them if you like. Transfer to a serving plate and spread into an even layer. Now place the prawns in a bowl, drizzle the spicy mayo sauce, gently toss everything together until the prawns are evenly coated. Transfer to the serving plate, garnish with chopped green onions, and enjoy. A detailed recipe is in the description box below. Hope you guys give it a try and let me know if you like it. I come up with new recipes every week, so do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one.